Hi students, welcome back to the Google Classroom of Plus One Statistics, Chapter 5, Measures of Central Tendency. How are you children? I hope all of you are safe and fine there at home. Children, in the last class, we have learnt about arithmetic mean. What do you mean by arithmetic mean? It is defined as the sum of the values of all observations divided by the number of observations, and it is denoted by x bar. Okay. Today we would focus on the other two most commonly used averages. Which are they? Median and mode. Let us start with median. Median is that positional value of the variable which divides the distribution into two equal parts. One part comprises all values greater than or equal to the median value, and the other comprises all values less than or equal to it. That means the median is the middle element when the data set is arranged in the order of the magnitude. The median, denoted MD, is the middle value of the sample when the data are ranked in order to its size. For ungrouped data, median is calculated as size of n plus 1 by tooth item. For grouped data, median is calculated as L1 plus n by 2 minus CF. CF means cumulative frequency divided by frequency F into I. I means class interval. Children, now look at this example. The ages for a sample of 5 college students are 21, 25, 19, 20 and 22. So first we have to arrange all these numbers in an ascending order. Okay, arranging the data in an ascending order gives 19, 20, 21, 22 and 25. Here n is equal to 5. The number of items is equal to 5. So we have to calculate the median as median is equal to n plus 1 by tooth value. Here n is equal to 5. So you have to apply this number here in this formula. Okay. So 5 plus 1 by tooth value is the median. That means 6 by tooth value, that is third value. Which is the third one? 1, 2, 3. Third one is 21. So the median is 21. Okay. This is very simple. Next one, given below is the age of 8 students. Find out the median age. So first one, 21, 18, 19, 14, 10, 22, 12 and 8. We have to arrange all these in an ascending order. 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, 19, 21 and 22. Then here n is equal to 8. So m, the size of median is equal to the size of n plus 1 by tooth item. Here 8 plus 1 by tooth item, that means the size of 4.5th item. Okay, 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5. So here we have to calculate 4.5th item. How do we calculate 4.5th item? We have to add the fourth one and also the fifth one. Okay, so fourth one is 14 and fifth one is 18. So add 14 and 18. We get 32. Then divide these two by 2. Okay. 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. So the median age is 16 years. Next one, find the median for the following data. This is a grouped data. So children, how do we calculate median for a grouped data? We have to use this formula. Which formula? M. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF. CF means cumulative frequency divided by frequency into I. I is the class interval. Okay. So here marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Then number of students 3, 4, 2, 7 and 10. So children, first write down all the given data here, first marks, then number of students, then we have to find out the cumulative frequency. The first cumulative frequency is the same as the frequency. So you have to write 3. Then second class's cumulative frequencies, you have to add the first and the second one. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then next one, add all these 3. 20 to 30 cumulative frequency is 3 plus 4 plus 2. Otherwise, you have to add 7 plus 2. We get 9. Then next one, 9 plus 7, we get 16. Then next one, 16 plus 10, we get 26. So this is the cumulative frequency. Then what is the total frequency? Total frequency, you have to add all these frequencies and we will get 26. So the total frequency is equal to the last class's cumulative frequency. Then here n is equal to 26. Then m, median, is equal to size of the n by 2th item. So n is equal to 26 divided by 2. That means size of 13th item. And which is the 13th item? This is the 13th item. So the size of the 13th item lies in the group of 30 to 40. The 13th item lies here in 16 in this class interval 30 to 40. So children, this is the median class. 30 to 40 is the median class, and L1 is the lower limit of this median class. L1 is the lower limit of this median class. So L1 is equal to 30. Then CF is the upper class's cumulative frequency of the median class. Okay, upper class's cumulative frequency of the median class. That means CF is equal to 9. Then F is equal to the same, the median class frequency, that is 7. Then I is the class interval. So 10. Okay. Then we have to apply the formula. M is equal to, median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into I. That means L1 is the lower limit of the median class, that is L1 is equal to 30 plus n by 2 minus CF, n by 2 minus CF, n by 2 here 26 divided by 2 is equal to 13, 13 minus CF here is 9, okay, divided by F is equal to 7, the frequency of the median class, 7 into class interval 10. So 30 plus 40 divided by 7, that is equal to 30 plus 5.71, that means 35.71. So the median is 35.71. For individual series, you have to use this formula, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th item. For discrete series, you have to use the same formula and you have to calculate the cumulative frequency also. Then continuous series, you have to use this formula, m is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. Then abbreviations used, m is equal to median, n is equal to number of observation, sigma F is equal to sum of observations, L1 is equal to lower limit of the median class, F is equal to frequency of the median class, CF is equal to cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Then I is the size of the median class interval. Okay. Next, average is mode. Mode is the most appropriate measure. Mode denoted MO is the value which occurs most frequently in a set of measurements or values. In other words, it is the most popular value in a given set. According to Croxton and Cowden, the mode of a distribution is the value at the point armed with the item tend to most heavily concentrated. It may be regarded as the most typical of a series of value. Children, look at this example. In a crash test, 11 cars were tested to determine what impact speed was required to obtain minimal bumper damage. Find the mode of the speeds given in miles per hour below. 24, 15, 18, 20, 18, 22, 24, 26, 18, 26 and 24. So first you have to ordering the data from the least to the greatest we get. From the least to the greatest. So we have to arrange all these things here like this. 15, 18, 18, 18, 20, 22, 24, 24, 24, 26 and 26. Since both 18 and 24 occur 3 times, the modes are 18 and 24 miles per hour. So both these numbers 18 and 24 occur 3 times. So the modes are 18 and 24. Okay, this is very simple and you have to calculate all these numbers by arranging in an ascending order and find out the number of occurrence. Okay. Children, this is the formula of calculating mode for a grouped data. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. H is the class interval. So L is the lower limit of the model class. Then F1 is the frequency of the model class and F0 is the frequency of the class before the model class in the frequency table. So note down F0 is the frequency of the class before the model class in the frequency table. Then F2 is the frequency of the class after the model class in the frequency table. F2 is the frequency of the class after the model class in the frequency table. Then H is the class interval of the model class. So this is the formula for grouped data. Now children, look at this example. Find out mode of the following set of data. Write down all the given data here. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Then number of students 3, 4, 15, 6 and 8. Which is the highest frequency? 15 is the highest frequency. The corresponding class is known as model class. So 20 to 30 is the model class and the corresponding frequency is F1. Then the above frequency is known as F0 and after frequency is known as F2. Okay, so F1 is equal to 15, F0 is equal to 4 and F2 is equal to 6. And the model class is 20 to 30, lower limit is 20 and class interval is 10. So children, which is our model class? 20 to 30 is the model class because it has the highest frequency, that is 15. Then you have to apply all the values here in this formula. What is our formula? L1 is equal to F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I or into H. Then where L1 is equal to 20, F1 is equal to 15, F0 is equal to 4, F2 is equal to 6 and I is equal to 10 or H is equal to 10. So mode is equal to, applying all these values in this formula, we get 20 plus 11 divided by 20 into 10. That means 20 plus 11 divided by 2. That is equal to 25.5. So mode is equal to 25.5. So children, it's time to wind up our session. A measure of central tendency is a measure that tells us where the middle of a bunch of data lies. Mean is the most common measure of central tendency. It is simply the sum of numbers divided by the number of numbers in a set of data. This is also known as average. Median is the number present in the middle when the numbers in a set of data are arranged in ascending or descending order. If the number of two numbers in a data set is even, then the median is the mean of the two middle numbers. Then mode is the value that occurs most frequently in a set of data. Children, please note that the notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with this video. Make use of all these available resources. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.